we'll give you what we got, and, well, yeah. Okay, we had the same project. We were analyzing the hydrogen radio waves in our section. We were looking at the galactic center. Guys, what was interesting with ours is, unlike theirs, we had very high spikes in our hydrogen readings. The first time we did it, we thought we messed up with our calibration settings, so when the next time around we got something similar after we, make sure everything was fixed, we realized that wasn't such the case. On our first day, we had pretty much very low frequency emissions, which means that, well, it's moving away from us. And on the second day, we have, well, first three readings had higher emissions, which means it's moving towards us. And the last two we did had lower. So, on the first day, we had an average between frequencies between 4.2 to 1420.2 and 1420.4. So not few tenths megahertz lower, but well, here's our readings from day one. Well, when we started out, we were a little late, so we had to act a little faster with day one. Remember, right, guys? Yes. So we did. On the first run, we didn't exactly have a very even time to start, so we had to really have a really good estimate on our right ascension. So, right ascension not very even, so we had to estimate our declination. On our second run, we had a little better, 5 o'clock with the right ascension, pretty even. Same thing with the rest of our readings. On the second day, we did a little bit better. We got up there on time. We got our first measurement went right when we were supposed to. And that's when we had a very high frequency. First and many, as you can see, first, second, and third, but higher one was in the second round. Now, after the fourth run, before the fourth and fifth run, we had lower frequencies. Not quite sure why, we just did. And the biggest similarities between ours was the high spikes, which means that from what we can tell, we have very constant high moving hydrogen. Some moving away, some moving towards us. But with our readings, we can pretty much tell that our movement is quite massive. Liz, you want to do the thing? Liz here converted our RA and declination into coordinates, and we found out that we was facing this general vicinity between about 156 degrees and 172 degrees. So pretty much this little area right here. Not a big area, but it's enough to give us our readings. So, well, that's pretty much it. Any questions? Anyone? Yes.
I have questions. So how do you explain that you're pointing a telescope in one direction, and in the same direction you have stuff moving away from you and stuff moving towards you? Can you explain that?
That is a very good question.
I know.
See, the Earth is spinning, so the galactic plane's not moving, but the Earth is, which causes the galactic plane to alter. Which not really altering, but the Earth's just spinning.
So
you
it's
have
caused
to-
by our perspective of it?
Yeah, you constantly have to keep moving the telescope. Very good question.
Okay. So why, so you have
Good
multiple
answer.
peaks, right? And some of them are both redshifted and sometimes one is redshifted, one is blue shifted, so why, so I like your explanation that you have, but why do you see multiple peaks in the same place? And neither, how do you think?
Another very good question. See, the two peaks mean that we're obviously looking at two different objects that are very close together.
Okay.
And they peak at a different frequency, which is really close. They go down a little bit, then they go back up. I'm not sure exactly what these two objects are, but we know they're about 1,500 Genskis of hydrogen, which is quite a bit.
It could be two different clouds of hydrogen colliding, moving through each other, or it could be some other things like one very close cloud and one bit that's smaller, and one very far away cloud that's larger. But we can't really give a straightforward answer in one bit.
That's good, so those are good conclusions to come to with the evidence that you have, and maybe if you came back for more time, that might be something you would investigate.
Absolutely.
Easy on them.
No question about
Alright,
it.
good job.